What's up, guys? Today we are going to be showing you
all of our slimes.
I know we did that like so much times, but we made new slimes and we threw out old slimes. So.
I keep telling her that her YouTube channel name should be like something slime because that's like the only video she makes slime. But slime is amazing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slimes that we're going to be showing you.
So, I'll go first.
Okay.
This slime we just made today.
I have it too.
Yeah.
We split it. We just made that. We like 2 minutes ago. It's I can't get mine out. It's not out.
Oh shoot.
So, oh, don't get that junk in my hand. We used clear glue, but it's not that much clear.
We used Tide in our slime.
For our activator.
Yeah, because we don't really have it.
Jalapeno.
Hey, yours just that.
So
Now,
this
next
is the
slime.
slime that we made today.
The next slime that we made yesterday. Wait, remember?
Oh.
Wait, I know which one's mine. No, this
This
one's
one's mine.
No,
What?
That one's yours.
It is?
Yeah. Wait, is it? Yeah, this one's yours because you only have a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Because you stuck it on the paper towel.
Oh, yeah.
So this
That
is our slime.
video's
that we
uploading right now.
made. And this is our slime.
called-
We made it out of clear glue.
Look at that.
Clear.
Oh, so good. That. So
It's
that's
really stretchy, and we made it out of the same clear glue.
yeah. But now
Clear glue.
yeah, because we just used it all on the green one.
Yeah. Guys, we want to make a feedback.
Well, this slime my friend gave to me. It's like okay, there's like foam beads in it. It's like I'm gonna take all these out.
Like, watch what they do.
They're like squishy. Squishies.
Yeah, we have two squishies.
It's like golden. It's
Yeah, we have
it's
two
terrible.
squishies.
Look at it.
One's mine, the cake one,
Bruh.
and then Gavin has the popcorn.
Bruh.
I'm gonna feel it.
It's terrible. So that's a bad slime.
And
we
this
might
one's mine.
Tomorrow we might be making a video terrible slimes, like the worst slimes we had. This might be one.
Ew, it smells bad. But this
Shocking.
is my store-bought slime.
We're
A little bit. It's my Shopkin. Stop. I'm trying to introduce my store-bought slime. So this slime, I only have a little bit because I thought I lost it. But it was actually stuck in the pocket of my book bag. And now there's like slime all in there. So I only have this much. And it's really stretchy.
Whoa, that is pretty tricky. So the one that we made like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's the blue one.
No, we made that like
it was good, but now it's
bad.
yeah.
It's
Sometimes it's good, like when you do stuff like that.
show
Show
myself.
So that's all.
And then I'll show you the last one, guys. The last one. It's
I got it from my
Sparkles.
cousin.
a Tierney.
Shout out to Tierney.
Shout out to Tierney. She's her cousin. Okay.
And Colin. I got you, buddy.
And this is like sparkly. And it gets sparkles like all over your face.
So, the lower slime.
If you subscribe, comment below. if
What's
you
your
like-
favorite slime?
Yeah, like what color it is. Like
And if you
mine.
know Tierney. So. Bye.